Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about matrix. So now I will show you how to answer. Question A. Matrix A multiplied by matrix B. So about this one, we know that number 9 will multiply by number 1. So we have 9 multiplied by 1 plus number 1 multiplied by number 1 and number 1 multiplied by number 1 because this location combined with this location, so the same location that's it in here. This is why we have this location. Now we have 1 2 1 with 1 1 1, so that should be about like this. Now and then this one with this one, so we have one number 1 plus 18 with number 1 and 1 with 1, because this one is same with this one, so that means this one will same with this area in here. So we just copy everything, go to here. So we simplify. This one we have 11, this one we have 4, this one we have 20. Similar for the second. So the first column and the second column, they should have the same. And now this is the answer for question A. Now question B, we have T in here. T, that's about transpose. Transpose, that means we need to swap the row and the column. So in this situation, about B with transpose in here, you will have like this. About A, that should be like this. So 9 1 1, now we write 9 1 1 in here. Now 1 2 A, we write about 1 2 A. 1 2 18. And 1 1 1, we write like this. And now we multiply. So we have 1 1. So I will put this matrix close together, so this is very easy for you to see. So we have 1 with number 9, number 1 with number 1, and number 1 with number 1. So we have 1 9 plus 1 1 plus 1 1. And now this location, this one with this one, this one with this one, and this one with this one. And now this location, 1 with number 1, 1 with number 2, 1 with number 1. Similar for the second one. Now let's go to the last one. One with number 1, one with 18, one with number 1. Now we copy the same for the second. Now we calculate. So we have 11. This one we have 4. And the last one in here is about 20. And this is the final answer. Question C, matrix A plus matrix C. So we have two matrices in here. So A plus C, that should be like this. Number 9 plus number 10. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. 1 and number 2. 2 and number 3. 1 and number 2. 1 and number 2. 18 and number 19. And 1 and number 2. So we have the final answer. 19, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 3. This one we have. And here is about the final answer we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.